Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also found right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is a great day because I had a little bit of difficulty getting this order in, and I was like I do all the time, I share with you my experiences so that you guys, if you are not part of Boxycharm or if you've had some of these small little glitches, that how I handled it and what the outcomes were. So the charm room got open, and as I share with you all the time on my channel, I try to share as much when I know something, I want to make sure that you guys know it too. So the charm room is always open usually for a short period of time, but it seems to be getting a little bit longer. So this one was an absolute fantastic charm room this time. And if you're not familiar with the charm room, what the charm room is it's a shop that when we do our reviews, we get points, and those points is what on Boxycharm they call charms, and those charms equal dollars, which equals free product when the charm room is open. So I always try to share with you when the charm room opens, we go through all the products that are available. Remember, it is the full retail price that we don't pay at Boxycharm. So it is the full retail price. What it sells in the retail world is how we get to spend our charms. So I had a bunch of charms that have been sitting, and I'm always waiting to see what deals are showing up there. And there were a couple of products that really were fantastic, that were products I already owned. They had Natasha Denona in the charm room. They had some fantastic deals, and I share those all with you. So like I said, I really hope you're subscribed to my channel, because when I know something, be it a spoiler or when sales are going on, I always try to share that with you guys. So when I went in that day, I film first and then I do my shopping. So I went in and I was looking around and I made a decision on a few items. When I went to check out, there was a glitch. My number of charms, I had more than enough charms in there. I actually had 20 charms more left over. So it was like not a big deal. When I went in to check out, it gave me what my total was going to be, which was just going to be the tax and if there was that handling fee and things like that. So because it ships for free, but now they've added on that $1.99 handling fee. Long story short, it took my charms, and then a banner came up that there was a glitch or something with the order. And then when I checked again, all of a sudden it took my remaining charms as well, and the order never went through. So I immediately went to check my charm balance, and now my charm balance was 0. And I didn't have the order or a confirmation of the order in the email. So I immediately went through the bot and told them exactly what happened. They said they were going to send me over to customer service, and someone from customer service was going to email me, which they did. This took over 3 to 4 days to get fixed. They were trying to, the first answers back were, explaining to me how charms worked, which was not my problem. So it was a little bit frustrating, but finally at the end of the day, they said that there was a glitch in the system, and all they did was put back my charms and tell me that I can now check out. By that time, some of the items that I wanted, of course, were no longer available, but I did end up with a few items that I'm really happy I was still able to have access to. And that's the story here. So they did, I was really surprised that it took so long for them to realize there was a glitch on their end. I had to explain it in about 2 or 3 emails. So it was a little frustrating, and this is free product and it's really for reviews. So it really wasn't like something went on my credit card that should never, anything like that. I just was not, the way it was handled, I felt that I had to do most of the work to be able to get them to finally have the resolve. And then I got a resolve back from a different department in Boxycharm, and then a day later, the customer service person that was working with me then wrote, oh, by the way, you can go in now, your charms are back, and so on and so forth. So There was a big disconnect in reference to that, but it got fixed. There are glitches on websites. I'm not going to say there's not, but when it's the charm room and I try my best to, you know, go through it and you know, save up the charms to be able to get what I want. This is the first time I've ever had a glitch, so I want to make sure that, you know, if you go through this, how it was handled, and that's it. So in the end of the day, I did get a box today from the charm room. They always come in these plain boxes. That's why I always show in my thumbnail one of my Boxycharm boxes, because you don't really know unless you look closely at the label that it is coming from Boxycharm. All right, so the first item that I chose for myself was from Marc Jacobs. I enjoy this brand so much, and when I saw it and it was a shade that I didn't have or a type of product that I didn't have yet, I figured I would spend my charms on it. So this is normally a $29 value, and with charms, just add a couple of zeros to that, and that's how many charms you need for this item. So this one here is called, and it comes in the full retail packaging, nothing marked up. This is like beautiful, beautiful, same full-size products that you would get in the store. And this one is called the Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. This is a sheer lip gloss in a stick with an irresistible melt-on cushioning texture that delivers conditioning color with a high shine finish. It says experience the radiance on the run. This will pour the brilliant shine of the gloss onto your nourishing tinted balm with this lip care benefits. It glides on effortlessly. It is indulging lips with an irresistible melt-on texture that feels ultra plush and creamy, featuring vitamin-rich kahahi oil, and this comfortable non-sticky formula with a creamy mint scent helps protect, moisturize, and soften your lips with that custom teardrop-shaped lip gloss stick applicator that will hug the curves of our lips for the perfecting finishing touch, and even on the go. And it says no mirror required. I've never put on the product without a mirror. It says glide on your lips, wear alone for sheer color, or layer on over lipstick for that additional dimension. So this is what the actual product looks like here. Let me just open it and see how this works. Oh wow, it is not a gloss, it is more like a balm formula. Is that not beautiful? Really, really pretty. Let me see if there's a name on this on the box. It says it is called Preach, but it's like peach, and then they put in brackets the R. That is really, really cute. All right, and then this clicks up. Let's see if it clicks up. Yeah, it clicks up, and then we'll just do a little bit over here. It is very creamy. It is a really nice, beautiful flush of color. It has a lot of color to it for like a balm, but not so much that it's overpowering based on the color that is on here. Really, really pretty. Really happy with that. This was available in 3 colors. On the site on the charm room when I went in. This is the color that I chose. The next item in here is this one that came in this container here, and it is from this brand called Sweet Chef. And I got introduced to this brand through the sheet masks, and I really, really enjoyed them. So when I saw this spray, I decided I was gonna try it. And I go for a lot of walks here in Florida. It's fantastic, but when I come back, I'm always very flushed. And I always like to splash my face afterwards and do that, but I've already pretty much done my skincare routine before we go on our walks. So to get something that says it's called the Vitamin D Chill Mist, I said I gotta try this. This was only $15 retail, which is to me very reasonable. And this is a 70 ml container. And like it says, it is a Vitamin D Chill Mist. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to try this. It says it hydrates, soothes, and cools. Let me see if I put any information in here. I don't think I did. Maybe I did. Give your thirsty skin a burst of probiotic rich, yes, I have it here, hydration. This is a ginger, kombucha, and vitamin D chill mist that hydrates, cools your skin for the perfect dewy complexion. It has antioxidant rich ginger that brightens and revives dull skin, and the kombucha delivers probiotics vitamins while improving the texture and tone. The vitamin D will help to soothe your skin and bring it back a happy, healthy looking balance. Mist all day, every day to hydrate your skin. You can also use it to prep for makeup or refresh your look throughout the day, and that's what I wanted. And then it says spritz 2 to 3 times from 5 to 6 inches away from your face. Make sure your eyes are closed. You can use it after cleansing in place of a toner to hydrate and prep your skin for your next skincare steps, over makeup to refresh your look, or throughout the day to hydrate, soothe, and just cool off. So that's what I purchased this for. It was really to hydrate my skin after and then to just cool off. So let me shake a little, which is what I always do. I don't know if you need to. And then I'm just gonna spritz to see, oh, the mist is beautiful. There is no real scent to this at all, and it is very dry. Like, it's not a wet formula at all. Very, very refreshing. Really, really nice. Oh, that is really, really nice. Excited to have the opportunity to try this. And like I said, this is only $15 retail, so if this is something that I enjoy, I got to use my charms to try it. The last item that I have in here came in this fantastic tubing. I have fallen in love with this Milk Makeup brand. Everything that I have tried from this brand, I have absolutely enjoyed. So when I see something from Milk Makeup that I haven't tried yet, I'm always eager to try it, and especially when it's in the charm room. This is a $28 value, and this is called their Blur Spray. And inside this tube, I had to take a blade to take off some of the, there was some tape holding it down, and inside this tube was this fantastic packaging inside. And this one says it will minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, imperfection using their blurring microsphere technology. It cuts shine and mattifies your skin, leaving a flawless, soft, focused effect. And it goes on clear to prolong the wear throughout the day. And this is what this one is here. So again, it is a blurring spray. Shake well before use. So we're going to do that. Take it out. I love, like I said, the Milk Makeup brand, and also most of their products are in these tubes that you never have to touch your face with. And one of my favorite products from them is their night version that I took with a stick. They're fantastic to travel with. They're great to keep in your purse. Like I said, I'm so impressed with this brand, and I love their mascara primer as well as their mascara. Everything that I've tried, I have enjoyed, but this I have not tried yet. And I love setting sprays. And this is going to be fantastic. Again, no scent to this at all. This is really, really great. This is also 2.2 fluid ounces, so it'll be fantastic to travel with. And I love that it comes in its own little container, which makes it extra safe to be able to travel with as well. And that's everything I got. So in total, this was of a value of $72, because this is full retail pricing that we're not used to hearing when we say the word Boxycharm, but it ended up costing me that 7,200 points. And it always tells you in brackets how many points you have in your charms, as well as what the value is in the real dollars, because it's in the real dollars that you're going to be charged. Also, if you are short the charms and there's something in the charm room that you want, what they do is you just take the amount of charms off. You say, this is the amount of charms I want to use, and then you just pay the difference in the cash with just your Visa, that is, or your credit card that's on file. So all that you end up paying, for me anyways, was the shipping was free, but there was that handling fee plus the tax. So all of this I got for like $7 and some cents. So at the end of the day, it all worked out. There was another item in here that I ended up missing out on, but now those charms are saved for the next round of charms, which I'll be able to build up, because I have, like I said, 2 accounts on this, Boxycharm. So I have charms to spend on one account and then charms to spend on the other. So I always have to make sure that the one that has the most charms based on what I want to buy is the account that I go into, and do it that way. So it's a little extra work having 2 accounts, because like I said, the reviews on one and the reviews on the other. But if you look at it on the positive side, I end up with dollars to spend on one account and then dollars to be able to spend on the other through the charms to get me free products. And that's everything I have for you guys today. Tell me if you like the charm room, and if you feel the charm room has been getting better, which I really truly believe it has. And then when you see the true retail values of the products, do you realize how lucky we are to be able to get these products available also in the drop shop? So if these are products that I end up enjoying and I want to repurchase, a lot of times they're also available in the drop shop for a lot less than that retail value. And that's it for today. All right, everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Don't forget to share in the comments. Bye for now.